everyone, and welcome back to English Talks, where learning English feels easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hi, Emily, and hi, everyone. I'm James, and I'm happy to be here.
You seem in a great mood today.
I am, honestly. And you look excited, too.
I am very excited for our topic.
Same here. But first, a quick reminder.
Please subscribe to English Talks if you enjoy practicing with us.
And click like and share this podcast with friends and family.
It really helps us a lot.
All right, are you ready?
I'm ready. What's our topic today?
Today we're talking about a super common question. Tell me about yourself.
You hear it in a new class, at a new job, or when you meet new people.
And sometimes it's hard to know what to say.
So today we'll make it easy and fun with simple steps.
Perfect. Who starts, you or me?
You start. James, tell me about yourself.
Okay, my turn first. Where do I start?
Start with the easy one. What's your name?
My name is James. James.
Nice to meet you, James. My name is Emily.
Nice to meet you too. Next question. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Wow, Canada. I'm from the United States.
Very cool. Do you live in a big city?
I live in a small town. It's quiet, and I like it.
I live in a big city. It's busy and noisy, but I love it.
A small town and a big city. Very different.
Exactly. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house. It's small, and it has a garden.
A garden. I love gardens.
What about you?
I live in an apartment. It's small, but it's really nice.
Great. So we have name, where you're from, and where you live.
Next is age, if you want to share it.
Sure, that's fine. I'm 35 years old.
35. Nice. I'm 30 years old.
30 is a great age.
Thank you.
Now, the big question. What do you do?
James, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. On English Talks, I'm an English teacher.
Of course you are. That makes perfect sense.
I love my job.
That's wonderful. What about me? What do I do?
Yes, Emily, what do you do?
I'm a student.
What do you study?
I study art. I love to draw and paint.
That's so cool. Do you like your studies?
Yes, I love them. It's fun and creative.
An art student and an English teacher. Perfect podcast team.
So we've covered name, place, age, and job.
What else can we talk about?
Let's talk about family.
Great idea. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have one brother and his name is Tom.
Nice. In the next part, we'll keep going with family questions and easy answers you can reuse.
So you said you have one brother. Is he older or younger than you?
He's older than me. He's 29.
Oh, so he's just 1 year older than you. That's easy to remember.
Exactly. What about you, Emily? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have one sister. She's younger than me.
Nice. Is she studying or is she working?
She's a student, like me.
Oh, really? What does she study?
She studies music, and she plays the piano.
A music student and an art student in one conversation. That's a lot of creativity.
It really is. What about your family, James?
My family is pretty creative too. My mother is a writer.
A writer. That's amazing.
And my father is a doctor.
Wow, that's a lovely family.
Thanks. Now it's your turn. Tell me about your parents.
My mother is a teacher, too. She teaches little children.
That's such an important job. Teachers shape everything.
And my father is a chef. He works in a restaurant.
A chef. Does he cook for you at home?
Yes, all the time. The food is always delicious.
I'm jealous.
Okay, we've covered family. How about pets?
Pets are fun. Do you have one?
Yes, I do. I have a cat.
A cat person, I see. Then I'll be the dog person.
Fair enough. She's black and white, very calm and honestly, very sleepy.
That sounds like a professional napper. Living the dream.
She really sleeps all day. It's a good life.
I also have a pet. I have a dog.
I love dogs. What's he like?
He's small, brown, and always happy. He's super friendly and kind of funny.
That sounds adorable. I want to meet him one day.
Maybe we'll make that happen.
So now we know a lot. Name, where you're from, where you live, age, job, family, and pets.
And now comes the best part. Let's talk about things we like, our favorites.
Yes, the fun part. Let's start with food.
All right, what's your favorite food?
That's hard. I like a lot of foods.
Just pick one. No pressure.
Okay, then pizza. I love pizza.
Great choice. What kind of pizza do you like?
I like vegetable pizza with tomatoes, peppers, and onions.
Healthy and delicious. I like pepperoni pizza.
Classic. A solid choice.
So, is pizza your number one favorite too?
It's one of my favorites, but my number one is pasta.
Pasta is amazing. Very tasty.
Next question. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, like the sky.
Blue is calm and peaceful. I like it.
What about you?
My favorite color is green, like trees, grass, and gardens.
That's beautiful. Blue sky and green nature. Perfect together.
Okay, favorite animal.
Easy for me. My favorite animal is a dog.
I had a feeling.
Dogs are loyal and friendly. I love them.
And my favorite animal is a cat. They're elegant and independent.
Elegant is a great word for cats.
All right, let's move on to hobbies next.
Yes. In the next part, we'll talk about hobbies you can use in real conversations. Hobbies are the things we do for fun. So, Emily, what are your hobbies?
Since I'm an art student, my biggest hobby is painting.
That makes sense. Do you paint a lot?
Yes, almost every weekend. It helps me relax.
That sounds peaceful. Anything else you enjoy?
I also like reading books.
Reading is a fantastic hobby. What kind of books do you read?
I like storybooks, and adventure stories are my favorite.
Adventure stories are so fun. They make you feel like you're traveling.
What about you, James? What are your hobbies?
I have a few. I really love listening to music.
Music is a great one. What kind of music do you listen to?
I like rock music, especially old rock music.
Very cool. What else?
I also like playing sports. I play soccer with my friends on Saturdays.
Soccer. You're very active.
I try to be. It's fun to run and play with friends.
Do you like watching movies too?
Yes, I love movies, especially comedies. I love to laugh.
Me too. I like comedies, and I also enjoy animated movies.
Animated movies are amazing. So much imagination.
And they're beautiful to watch.
It's funny, we're basically answering "Tell me about yourself" right now.
We are giving a very long answer. A very, very long answer.
We can also talk about things we don't like.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay, what's a food you don't like?
I don't like olives.
Really? I actually like olives.
See, we're different again. I just don't like the taste.
For me, I don't like very spicy food.
A little spicy is okay for me, but very, very spicy? No, thank you.
Exactly.
What about an activity you don't like?
I don't like waiting in long lines. It's so boring.
Does anyone like that?
And I also don't like waking up very early.
So you're not a morning person.
Not at all. I really like my sleep.
I understand completely. Sleeping is important.
This is a good way to describe yourself. You can say what you like and what you don't like.
Yes, it shows your personality. For example, hi, my name is James. I'm a teacher. I like dogs and pizza, but I don't like olives.
And I can say, "Hi, I'm Emily. I'm a student. I love cats and pasta, but I don't like waking up early."
Simple, clear, and friendly.
We covered a lot today. Name, where you're from, where you live, age, job, family, pets, hobbies, likes and dislikes.
And you don't need to say everything at one time.
Right. You choose what fits the situation.
Maybe you share your name and your job, or your name and your hobby.
If you're in a class, you can say your name and why you're learning English.
And at a party, you can say something fun like, hi, I'm James, and I love music and soccer.
Then the other person can ask questions, like, "What music do you like?"
And a new friendship can begin. It all starts with, tell me about yourself.
It's not a scary question. It's an invitation to share a little bit about you.
That's a beautiful way to think about it.
I really enjoyed learning more about you today.
Me too. I learned you're an art student who loves pasta and green, and you have a sleepy cat named Luna.
And I learned you're a teacher who loves pizza and blue, and you have a friendly dog named Max.
Successful conversation.
And I hope it was helpful for everyone listening.
Before we go, we have a small favor to ask.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to English Talks and give it a big like.
It helps more people find the podcast.
And please share it with anyone who is learning English.
Now, question of the day.
Go to the comments and tell us about yourself.
Write 1 or 2 sentences. For example, my name is blank, I'm from blank.
Or I like blank. Or my favorite food is blank.
We would love to read your comments and learn a little about you.
Thank you for listening today.
Thank you, everyone. Keep practicing and take care.
We'll be back soon with another fun episode. Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Emily.
Bye, James.